Fall may be here, but that doesn't mean you have to put away the barbecue. Here with delicious fall-inspired recipes for the grill, I'm joined by food expert Jason Skrobar. Jason, thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so you got 3 things we're gonna make, all of which are right in my wheelhouse.
They're going in there, and they're all fall flavors. So I wanted to. We're not done grilling yet. Especially in Canada, you can grill right through the winter.
Okay, what do fall flavors mean?
So I'm doing like coriander, cumin, garam masala, things that are gonna like warm your mouth.
Okay.
Okay. So what we're doing is we're doing ribs first.
Yes, we are.
Your favorite.
Yes, we are.
We're gonna do a dry rub. So if you could throw everything in. So we've got brown sugar, essential for a rub. Then the garam masala.
Wow, that's
all of
bold.
that. Pepper.
Okay.
Chili powder.
Okay.
Cumin, coriander, again, staying with all those warm flavors. And then some salt as well, which is always good for a rub.
Yeah, and you know, I find, depending on what website you go to, people will tell you about a particular, you know, how much of one versus the other you need to be using. I don't find that, I think it's to taste. I think it's whatever you like.
Sugar should always be the most because it's going to help caramelize the ribs once they go on the grill. So we're going to throw all this on. And so the way I like to do the ribs is I take them, I put the rub on, I wrap them in tin foil, I put them in the oven at a low temperature, about 350, for 2 hours. Okay, so that's gonna really break down all the meat. And then after, to finish, we're gonna throw it on the barbecue. Now, if you don't have a barbecue, or if it is in the winter and you don't wanna go outside, you unwrap the ribs and you turn on the broiler.
And that's gonna give you that crispiness, exactly.
So what we're gonna do is we've had these
Look at that.
So those were in the oven for 2 hours. I put them on the grill. If you wanna throw some of the barbecue sauce.
I do wanna do that,
Jason. This is my barbecue sauce. It's got a lot of the same flavors as the rub. But we also put in some ketchup, some apple cider vinegar. So that just goes on, and we're gonna flip for about 7 to 10 minutes.
Look at that. There, we're done.
So we're gonna close that. And basically what you do is you flip that for a few minutes, and then this is what you get.
This is what you get, Canada.
Let's move all this out.
Look at this. This is perfect.
Now, anyone can do this. I'm gonna get you.
I mean, it smells so good. Oh, yes, sir. I like serving it two at a time. Oh, there we go. That's the one. That's the one, my friend.
And look at that, falling right off the bone.
That was so good.
Good? Okay, while you eat that, we're gonna do a potato salad. So what I've done is I've grilled some baby potatoes on the grill for 25 minutes, salt and pepper, olive oil. Now we're gonna make the sauce. So we've got some creme fraiche. If you don't have creme fraiche, you can use sour cream. And what I did is I took some shallots, garlic, and ginger, and I caramelized those in a pan. We're gonna take that. And then we have all our spices. So again, we're going with warm spices again, turmeric, coriander, hot pepper flakes, nutmeg, cinnamon, all that goes in.
Nice.
A pinch of salt and pepper, some mustard seeds.
Oh, wow.
All that gets mixed up.
Really, huh?
Right?
And you know what I like about this? It doesn't look like it's gonna come off as too heavy of a sauce.
Not too heavy. And then the potatoes go in. Mix all that together.
Wow. Yeah, exactly. Just enough to coat it, right? You're not.
You don't want it to be too sloppy.
No. I agree.
Okay. And then we'll plate that.
Looks great.
Okay.
Beautiful.
And then I like to top it with like a little bit.
Get a little crunch, right?
Celery, some celery leaves.
Okay, we've got to go quickly, my friend. So I'm going to eat that while you make this.
Last thing is really simple dessert. You take some pears, cut them in half, core them, throw them on the barbecue. They take no time, like 5-10 minutes.
Okay.
And then we're gonna we made a blackberry sauce.
Okay.
And we're gonna just take.
Oh, nice.
And
this looks great,
in the middle. There. And
some crunch, right?
Yeah, we got some ginger cookies.
Oh, yes.
Sour cream.
Oh, nice, man.
There you go. Not sour cream, sorry. Whipped cream.
All right, let me give it a whirl of this. All right. Oh, and all of these recipes are on our website, yourmorning.ca. This is a one-biter.
Wow.
We'll be right back.